Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to our EVS class. Hope you all are safe at home. In our last class, we discussed about migratory birds, right? Do you all remember that? Then say an example of a migratory bird. Is very good. Golden oriole. And we also discussed about the physical features of birds. Am I right, children? Okay. Students, look at this picture. Can you name this bird? Yes, you are right. This is eagle. So today we are going to discuss about the peculiarities of eagle and how do these peculiarities help the eagle to catch the prey. So let's discuss the peculiarities of eagle. Eagles have curved beak with sharp edges, and these beaks help them to tear the flesh of its prey. So, this is one of the first peculiarity of eagle. Next one is eagles have 4 toes on each foot with sharp claws, and these claws help them to catch and hold their prey very easily. And the next is one of the most important peculiarity of eagle. They have sharp and powerful vision, and they could see a fish in water even from 3 miles away. So these are some of the peculiarities of eagle. Children, shall we read the peculiarities of eagle once more? Okay, all of you say along with me. They have curved beaks with sharp edges which help them to tear the flesh of its prey. Eagles have 4 toes on each foot with sharp claws, and these claws helps them to catch and hold their prey very easily. Eagles have sharp and powerful vision. They could see a fish in water even from 3 miles away. I hope you all understand the peculiarities of eagle. Shall we move to the next topic? Okay, now we know that different kinds of birds are there in our nature. Birds make our nature more beautiful. But in nowadays, the number of birds were decreasing in our environment. Do you know the reason behind that? Yes, one is given in your textbook, the excessive use of pesticides. What may be the other reasons? Yes, because of deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees. In our previous class, we discussed that most of the birds make their nest in trees. So, if we cut down the trees, birds will lose their habitat. What were the other reasons? Yes, hunting, pollution, etc. are the other reasons. So, it's our duty to protect birds because birds make our environment beautiful. Okay, children, now we are moving to our last topic in this chapter. How many of you rear birds in your home? All of you rear birds? Yes, very good. Then say the name of birds that we rear at home. Yes, lovebirds, duck, hen, pigeon, quail, and guinea fowl. So, these are some of the birds that we rear at home. Why do we rear these birds in your home? Yes, for laying eggs, for flesh, as an occupation, for entertainment, and for fancy. So for these purposes, we rear birds in our home. So children, now we finished our fourth chapter, The Wonder World of Birds. So in this chapter, mainly we discussed about the characteristics of birds, about migratory birds, peculiarities of eagle, and about the uses of birds that we rear in our home. So it's time to end up our today's session. See you in the next class. Thank you.